Hi everybody, today we're looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot D-8 in Carteret Mobile Park. We are a land lease community in Carteret, New Jersey, in the heart of Middlesex County. This house has already been sold, but this video will give you an idea of what one of our houses looked like in our community. I think that you'll really enjoy seeing the inside of this house. So here we'll see the front side of the house. It has 2 entrances on the front, both of which have a storm door. It's pretty low maintenance. All you have to do is weed the stone area, and there is 1 car parking out on the front. As we head inside, you'll also notice that this house comes with outside water and electric. At the front of the house, you'll notice we have a double pane thermal window, which makes this an energy efficient home. All of the appliances are also Energy Star certified. We can see from this corner of the house, you've got that super spacious kitchen. Those are the stainless steel appliances. You'll see here that this house comes with central air conditioning. Throughout the house, there is that really nice looking wood grain flooring. It really matches nicely along with the stainless steel appliances. That includes the stove oven combination, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator. You can also see the New York subway tile backsplash along with the farm sink, and the sink comes with a touch sensor and a nice sprayer. The countertop is laminate here. Each house comes equipped with a fire extinguisher. Every cabinet is all wood with that gray tone staining. We'll take a look in our fridge real quick. You can see there's quite a lot of space in here. All our appliances come with a warranty through the manufacturer. You'll see that the cabinets have dividers in them already. This drawer also comes with utensil spacing. You can see the cabinets are very spacious. And here is that brand new microwave. Along with this really nice oven. And in this drawer is all the warranties and the keys for the storm doors. Here is the furnace, which is responsible for the heating and air conditioning in the house. And taking a look at the bathroom here, we have a double bypass door for the shower. The countertop here is a little bit different from in the kitchen. You can see it's a little bit darker. It contrasts very nicely with the white sink. And here's that shower. It's all one piece. With those double bypass doors, and you've got 2 seats directly in it. Looking across, you can see the bathroom from the shower point of view. And now we'll make our way into the master bedroom. Here's out the back door. Here's the electrical box. And we've got everything labeled for you already. Across from that, here's where you would put your stackable washer and dryer. Here's here's the outlets for that. And here we have the master bedroom. So that closet runs the length of the wall. The door on the right there is the water heater. We have these double bypass doors for the closet. Here's from this corner. Again, you have those really nice windows that really keep the house energy efficient. Those are also custom curtains that we have on the window. And we give you a little door for the water heater, just to make it a little bit nicer, easier to access. As you can see here, right, that closet runs the length of the wall. We've got 2 extra screens there for you. And here's the certification, the Energy Star certification. And that right there is the little access point to the water heater if you needed it. So we'll make our way back to the living room. And if you'd like to inquire about one of our homes, go to myhomeincarteret.com and you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the process. And it will add you to our email list that lets you keep up to date with our other houses available. So I'll leave you with the pictures of the house, and everything about this house is also listed in the description. So I hope to hear from you soon.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey. And this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.